Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you my air fryer. This is the air fryer. This is instant Vortex. I just turn it on. These are the buttons. So here, this one is time, this one air fry, this one is roast, this is the temperature, and this is bake, and this is reheat. Sometimes I need to make reheat. First I put time. Whatever I want to do, I have to press. So today I'm going to use air fry. So air fry is this one, and this is the time, like how long I'm gonna put. It's the minutes. This is the minutes. And if I want to change, just change like this, less this way. And this is the temperature, and this is the start. It's like this. Yeah, I can change this. So this instant Vortex air fryer is like easy to cleaning, and this is very like large capacity. I put foil paper here because I'm going to cook something, and this is really like smart cooking. It has like so many smart cooking program. This fryer has like 4 things: air fry, roast, reheat, and bake. We can do this step, so that's why it's called like 4-in-1. It's really like faster to cook and very easy to clean. So today I'm going to use air fry. I'm going to cook my chicken. Hello viewers, I have here 8-piece chicken leg, and now I'm going to put chili sauce 1 spoon, 1 spoon of Szechuan sauce. This is the Szechuan sauce. Garlic paste ½ teaspoons, then ginger paste ½ teaspoons. I put lemon juice ½ teaspoons of. Then I put soya sauce ½ teaspoons of. Now I put 1 spoon of ketchup. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of tandoori masala. After that, now I'm going to marinate my chicken. I did not put too much the spices because I don't have that much chicken. It's only 8 of them. Now I'm going to keep them for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'm going to cook them. I put salt very little bit because I don't have that much chicken. I put oil like 1 spoon of. So today I'm going to air fry some chicken, and I'm going to put my chicken. I have here 8 pieces. Which I marinate like 30 minutes ago. Here, my 8-piece chicken. Now I'm going to air fry them. So first I close it, and now I'm going to put air fry time So this is the time. I think I need 15 minutes. 15 minutes is right here. Now I'm going to put temperature. This is the temperature. And I'm going to put 350 Fahrenheit. So this is the 350. So now I'm going to start. If anytime I just want to cancel and put the different, I have to put cancel and it will start again. So now I put start. So let it cook for 15 minutes. My air fryer was saying it was written down here like turn other side. So now is I have only 3 minutes, but I think later I'm gonna add more minutes. So I can just open it and turn other side. I put 15 minutes, but I think I have to put another 15 minutes. Because the way I want to cook the texture, like they are already soft, but I want little bit dry. So I'm gonna add more time. Now I'm going to. So I put time and I'm going to add minute. So I'm going to add. So I just add another 10 minutes. So let's cook another 10 minutes. And I'm not gonna change my temperature. It is still 350 Fahrenheit. Air fryer is much easier. Whenever I put time in and I can go and do my other things. This also save our time, and we are like very busy, especially we live in USA and we don't have enough time. We have to do the other stuff, and this air fryer is like very easy to clean. I just showed this thing. Now my food is there, only I have to clean this part and that's it. This is very convenient and less time consuming. My chicken all done cooking. Now it's saying end, so I'm gonna bring out all my chicken. So let's see how it look like. Wow, looks gorgeous. Now let me take it out. The time, you know, like how much you want, how the texture you want. That's the way you can put the temperature, and always you can check like is it burning or is it like the way you want to cook. It's like more easier and convenient, and I guess it will be so delicious. It look like delicious. This is my chicken. I need only like 25 to 30 minutes. My air fryer. I put link below for this air fryer, and if you like my recipe and the way I cooked, then press the like button. And thank you so much for watching.